nandito na naman tayo para sa isang idea about DepEd ranking. Today naman, pag-uusapan natin. Madami kasi tayo dito mga katanungan about DepEd ranking. At yung ating gagawin or ang ating i-discuss ngayon is we have the education na criteria. So, kailangan ba nakatapos ng master's para may points sa DepEd ranking? Yung sagot sa katanungan na yan is hindi kailangan na nakatapos ka para may points ka sa DepEd ranking. So, pwede na, like for example, 33 units ka, that is already 10 points sa inyong education. So, like for example, for 9 to 12 units, that is already 2 points. For 15 to 18, that is already 4 points. For 21 to 24 units, that is already 6 points. And for 27 to 30 units, that is already 8 points sa inyong education. And of course, if meron kang 33 units at 38 units, so that is already 10 points sa inyong education. So, ilang points ang 9 units again? We have 2 points. So, of course, kapag meron ka ng 9 units na may grade, dapat yan sa iyong TOR is dapat na ipasa mo yan sa inyong division or ipasa nyo yan kung saang school ka mag-a-apply for the DepEd ranking. Okay? So, kung may mga katanungan, everyone, feel free to ask sa ating comment section at sasagutin natin yan sa apat ng ating makakaya at sa kaya natin sagutin. So that's all for today, everyone. Goodbye and God bless.